In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how to split sound between speakers and headphones on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type volume mixer. You will find sound mixer options. Click on that. So here, just simply click on the drop down arrow for your device or for the program that uses your audio. And then you'll find output device. Click on the drop down and you can simply choose, it could be headphones or speaker. So simply choose that. And then you'll find output device. Click on the drop down and simply choose speaker or headphones. Okay, it's up to you. So that's it, as pretty much that. You can easily split sound between speakers and headphones in Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.